Good morning. Today I'm going to explain you about conditional formatting in Excel sheet. Everyone knows that Excel sheet is mostly used for reports or holding some data in a tabular format. Okay. In some cases, how you are going to get is, for example, if you are collecting a marks of a student in a class, for example, 10 members are there. In the 10, you want to know that a top 5 or top 8 or top 10 students list. In that case, what you are going to do is you are going to sort the order and you will get that one. Without that, you can do one thing. By simply doing a conditional format, those student list will be highlighted in a different color. For example, I am going to explain you here. Okay, first I'll take student 1, subject and marks. Okay, for example, STD student 1, 2, student 2. Okay, I'll drag this one till 15 student. Okay, now I am going to enter the subject, that is English. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll do this. Okay, I'll enter the marks. Maximum marks is 50 and just I'm taking as 100 as a maximum marks. Now I'm starting entering the values randomly. Now, in this case, what you are going to do is first you need to sort, then again you need to know the student marks. But without that, you can do simply select the rows, go to the conditional formatting on the home tab, click on that top 10 items. Okay, simple. If you want to change the color, text, something, custom format, you can do that one also. Italic, bold, okay, then the border will be something different, or formatting, or font, or fill, background color, everything you can select. You can see here light red, okay, by default. That means this one is going to select the top 10 students who got the marks. This one is good. Now you want to check one more thing also, okay, here, but already you have done some formatting on this. How can you clear this one? Simply you can have a clearing also here. Clear rules. It's going to clear the rules. You can selected cells, you can clear the rule for those only selected cells. Either you can clear the entire sheet rules also. Now we are going to clear only selected cells. Simply I am going to select this one. Now the formatting has been cleared. Our condition is, how can we get the average percent? Okay, what is the average percent, and below average how many people are there, and above average how many people are there? Okay, now simply you are going to select here and click above average. Okay, once you select this one, what are the cells you have highlighted? Okay, above average, what is the average? The total marks average is 71.6 at the bottom. Just now I have highlighted using my cursor. You can see that. Okay, simply now I am going to clear this average percentage now. Okay, clear selected cells. Now I am going to select one more selection. Who are the students below average? That means who are got less than 71.6 marks. Okay, here this you can see. That means around 5 members are there who are having less than average marks they got. You can see here, those are highlighted in red. Okay, well, it's good, but assume that you have different subjects. Each teacher is going to enter the values. You need to restrict the user to enter a value which is less than 100. It should be a less than 100 only. It should not be more than 100. Okay, in that case, what you are going to do is conditional formatting. We have highlight a cell rule. Okay, if it is a greater than 100, what we need to do, max marks I'm going to mention as maximum marks are 100. Okay, if user is entering any one of the marks, okay, it should not be more than 100. In that case, what we are going to do is we'll select this cell and we'll go here, and it should be less than. Okay, which cell it is, it should be this. Okay, otherwise you can do one more thing also. If it is marks are more than greater than 100, okay, simply we'll select this cell. Okay, after that, okay, dark red. Okay, now I'm going to see if I'm entering more than 100, what will happen, it will change the color. If I am entering 100, it won't change the color. That means simply it's highlighting that it's a wrong value we have entered. In this way we can restrict the user to enter a wrong value. Similarly, you have different conditions. Okay, between, less than, equal to, text condition. Okay, duplicate values, those values also you can see. If you want to see any one of the value is duplicated in this cell, simply you can go here and highlight duplicate value. Okay, now you can see that how many duplicate values are there. That means 95 is repeated multiple times and 96 also repeated multiple times. Okay, thank you all.